Well, the nature of personal branding, it's been around for a while, certainly since the social media revolution, when we started to really picture ourselves in these environments. I think you talk to anybody before the internet really came into vogue. Branding was something that was restricted for huge companies that had 8 or 9 figure advertising budgets, who were advertising during the Super Bowl. These were brands. These were people who commanded the brandscape, so to speak. But what social media did was it leveled the playing field, and it gave everybody, the common folk, a chance to build the brand in a very powerful way, almost as effective as the big players were doing. And as social media has become so pervasive, in fact, you could technically drop social from the term. It's media. I mean, we probably get more news that we feel we can use from these platforms than on the traditional media outlets these days. So personal branding became a way of imposing our will on the system, what we did, how we showed up in our profiles, how we engaged on the site, what we posted as authors, what we wanted to take people to off LinkedIn. So if there was a website, a landing page, an Amazon author page, whatever the end game that we envisioned for ourselves, that's how we wanted to be associated. And the more we did this and tinkered with our profiles, the more we got recognized, acknowledged, and ideally connected with. So that brand piece started to really, I would say, gain momentum around 2010, when LinkedIn started to enjoy some of its growth. And then following year in 2011, when it topped 100 million users, which was a huge milestone, then we really started to see a lot more about the craft of personal branding come into play. I've been around it my whole marketing career. I probably didn't speak of it in terms of personal branding till the time I became a LinkedIn strategist, but now it's what dominates me. It's the value that I underscore for my clients who truly want to stand out. For them, mediocrity is not an option. They truly want to be known for the product they sell, the services they provide, the companies they work for, the skills they command, and the niche that they're trying to drive.